Cold winds whip across an ancient landscape, whispering tales of a city older than time itself. Welcome to Erbil, the crowning jewel of Kurdistan. With a history that stretches back more than 5,000 years, Erbil stands as one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities on Earth. In the heart of the city, the majestic Erbil Citadel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, overlooks a vibrant modern metropolis. Yet beneath the surface, Erbil is a city of contrasts. It's a melting pot of cultures, languages, and people shaped by a rich tapestry of history and modern political dynamics. Today, Erbil is at the forefront of the Kurdish struggle for self-determination. A city that once stood on the crossroads of empires now stands on the forefront of a nation's aspirations. Yet amidst the political upheaval, Erbil remains a beacon of resilience, its people the embodiment of a spirit as enduring as the city's ancient walls. So next time you gaze upon a map, let your eyes wander to that spot where history and